Assalamu alaikum. Revision 1. Look, say and add more words to each group. Parts of the body: hands, nose, head, eyes, ear, teeth, lips, tongue, cheek, mouth. Colors: red, green, yellow, black, white. Pink, blue, orange, purple, khaki, golden, silver. Fruits: apple, orange, mango, grapes, papaya. Banana, chiku, custard apple, pineapple, watermelon, guava. Vegetable: cabbage, brinjal, pumpkin, onion, peas. Potato, tomato, radish, carrot, chili, lady's finger. Things we use in school: pen, pencil, book, notebook, eraser, duster, chalk, table, bench, desk, TV, dustbin. Things we use at home: cup, glass, bowl, spoon, dish, pan, cooker, basket, gas, cylinder. Assalamu alaikum.